Alright, what's going on, traders? Welcome to today's live trading recap, and today this volume indicator color band nailed 7 profitable trades in a row. I mean, this is starting to become unreal, guys and gals, because we are printing cash almost every single day. All right, let's get into this video, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. What you're seeing on your screen right now is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ from today, Wednesday, August 14th, 2024. And if you can see here on the top left of the screen, you can see that we have our volume indicator color band overlaid on top of the chart. And of course, we've got today's morning session queued up for you. And you guys have heard me say this a million times, man. There's so much money to be made just in the morning session, all right? I don't necessarily know why people even bother trading after lunchtime, but that's not for me to lecture anybody else on, all right? All I can tell you guys and gals is what I do each and every single day is I love trading the morning session simply because that is where I'm finding all of my profits, all right? Now, I've warned you that this volume indicator color band is simply superb at nailing the trend direction. Matter of fact, just go ahead and count these out for yourself, man, all right? Look at this beautiful retracement right here, right? Like you can see, first of all, the volume color band turns from green into red at this exact moment in time, telling you that this is now the location on where to start looking for shorts. All right, and so you know that we love playing the retracement. Take a look at this beautiful retracement setup right here. This was number 1 of today's retracement. Here's number 2 of the second retracement. Here's number 3. Here is 4 and 5. I mean, Jesus Christ, man, how can anybody argue with trading volume, right? But of course, all my long-term customers and clients will attest to this fact, and that is the first retracement that shows up, I think, is going to be not only the most profitable, but also the highest probability, right? Not to say you can't jump on here if you missed that first one, or you want to add to your position here and then add to your position here and so on and so on. You can do that if you want, but I try not to because I just like to take the first setup, which to me is always the best setup. Okay, so when I say that we nailed today's morning trades, you know that this is real talk. Okay, now something else you might find interesting, take a look over here, right on the right side of the chart here. Can you see how the volume color band changes from red into green? Looks like around 9:41 a.m. All right, and again, I've had a lot of discussions with my people on should we trade the color change in addition to trading the retracement, and I still don't know how I feel about this. All right, I'm mildly attracted to this concept and this idea, but I think I'd like to get more feedback from you guys and gals out there, especially those of you that used the vol today. All right, and I want to know, I really want to know, okay, did you make money trading the short retracement today like I did, or did you make money only trading the color change to the long side? And in both instances, we were able to grab 500 ticks in profit on both of these trades. So once again, man, congrats to all of you guys and gals out there who are simply stacking up cash and ticks and pips. I'm so glad that you guys and gals are taking trading seriously. Like, that's what I find to be my best customers, all right? People that take trading seriously, and more importantly, learning how to use volume as an indicator to trade the right way, which in my humble opinion is to trade in the direction of the trend. You understand? So again, big shout out, big congratulations to all of my people who had a spectacular profitable day today, and I can't wait to show you more profitable trading setups tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.